Hi, I'm Mandy.
And I'm Greg.
And we're planDisney panelists. We answer all your Disney vacation planning questions on planDisney.com.
And today we're here to answer all of your questions on the best uses of snacks using the Disney Dining Plan.
Yes, and we're starting by getting fueled up for the day. Did you know that you can get any size specialty coffee?
I don't even drink coffee, so this is also delicious as well.
Let's do it.
Cheers.
Cheers to snack number one.
Let's go get some snacks.
Let's go.
Snack challenge.
Let's see how many snacks we can get.
Let's do this. I'll call you.
Game on.
Woo.
This is Greg's first snack. Let's hear what he has to say.
Hey Mandy, you're never gonna believe it. I found this great spot in the back of Morocco. Has really healthy options and they qualify as a snack on the Disney Dining Plan. There's a marinated olive mixture with some fresh vegetables in it. It's really delicious. Really good.
And this is Mandy's first snack. Let's see what she has to say.
Hey Greg, I just left Les Halles Boulangerie Patisserie. It's the quick service in France. This is my favorite place to make a snack credit into a meal. I love to get the ham and cheese croissant for breakfast, the pizza saladière for lunch, and even an eclair or another pastry for dessert. Greg, this is really good.
Now guess what? I'm still in Morocco. They have another great snack that qualifies on the Disney Dining Plan. These roasted chickpeas. They're delicious, they're crunchy. I can eat them all day. Oh, yeah, no, they're really good. Yeah, no, just delicious. Like I probably just wouldn't stop. I'll probably just keep going. Probably gonna need a little bit of water soon though.
Okay, I made my way to America. I'm at Regal Eagle and I just used a snack credit to get the barbecue fries. This is such a great value. The portion is so big. You need to get over here, leave Morocco, and come help me eat these. They're delicious.
You're never gonna guess. Yeah, no, they have this other snack, these mixed nuts that have this really delicious seasoning on them. Yeah, it also qualifies as a snack on the Disney Dining Plan. I could probably sit here all day. I already have, so.
Well, I had a great breakfast and I had my fries. You had your healthy food in Morocco, but I've made my way over to Germany where I picked up my two favorite treats from Caramel Kusha. I got the gingerbread caramel cookie sandwich and the Werther's popcorn. They are delicious. And they're big enough to share with the entire family, but my family will tell you that I'm not sharing. So I'll be bringing these back to the room for later.
Now let's get back to the score. And Mandy has snacked the most. Now let's see if Greg's out of Morocco.
Hey, and don't forget about the classics like the Mickey Pretzel, the Mickey Premium Ice Cream Bar. They qualify as a snack credit with the Disney Dining Plan. Oh, and if you're at EPCOT during the festival, stop by the booths and try one of the snacks. As long as it has the Disney Dining Plan logo next to the item, you're good to go. I'll meet you at Creation Shop.
Okay, meet you at Creations.
And if you have any other Disney vacation planning questions, please visit us at planDisney.com.
And if you have any snack credits left over, be sure to grab some candy for the plane ride home. Once you get home and the Disney blues hit, you'll be so happy you have a little piece of Disney magic.
It's a great idea. I'm gonna actually grab this and...
Greg!